Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation demonstration video for Dazuma's modern open-frame square LED light. Included in the package, one expansion screw accessory pack, one instruction manual, one modern open-frame square LED light, Step 1. Remove the 4 fixing screws from the bottom of the product and store them properly. Step 2. Remove the bottom cover of the product. Step 3. Place the bottom cover at your intended installation position, then mark and drill the holes. Step 4. Install the 4 expansion screws from the expansion screw accessory pack into the holes. Step 5. Remove the 2 fixing rings and 1 nut from each of the 4 installed expansion screws and store them properly. Step 6. Place the bottom cover onto the installed expansion screws. Then reinstall the 2 fixing rings and 1 nut removed in Step 5 onto each of the 4 expansion screws in order. Step 7. Connect your self-provided press-type quick wire connector to your power supply wires. Step 8. Connect the power wires at the bottom of the product to your self-provided press-type quick wire connector. Step 9. Place the main body of the product onto the bottom cover. Step 10. Reinstall the 4 fixing screws removed from the bottom of the product in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.